In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT Qolsys motion detector, PG9914. This sensor is compatible with these panels and requires one 3-volt CR123A battery, available for purchase on myadt.com. You'll know it's time to replace the sensor battery when you hear a beep from your panel and a notification dot appears on the top right of your panel's display screen. Click through the screens to view the low battery message. Now, let's get started. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT monitoring center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system at your Qolsys panel or your touchscreen. Next, to access the battery compartment, you'll need to remove the cover from the mounted sensor base. Locate the half-circle marking on the bottom of the device. Using your finger or a flathead screwdriver, apply pressure to this area to release the front cover from the base of the device. Then, lift the cover off to access the battery. You may hear a tamper tone or see a message on the panel. Don't worry, this is normal. Now, remove the used battery. Wait 10 seconds. Then insert the new battery. Make sure it's placed in the device correctly, with the positive end pointing toward the plus sign inside the device. Put the cover back on the device by aligning the tabs on the front with the slots on the mounted sensor, sliding it on and slowly snapping it into place. To clear the tamper alert and stop the beeping on your Qolsys panel, tap the message icon in the top right corner. Tap Alerts and Alarms. Tap Acknowledge All to select and dismiss all alerts. Then tap OK to close confirmation. Pro tip: before exiting, make sure the low battery message has been resolved for this device. Then, swipe right to exit the messages screen. That's it! You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT Qolsys motion detector. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.